again, it's Renee, and I have an unboxing for you. This is the Craft with Heart subscription service, and I subscribe for the 1-year service, so every 4 months I get a box that looks like this. You can also purchase it monthly, or you can purchase it as an every 4-month subscription to, excuse me, the kit, if you buy it monthly, it's $17.95 plus $4.95 shipping and handling. You'll be billed monthly on the first of the month, and you get a box every month. If you buy the 4-month kit, it comes out to $16.15 a kit, but you get 4 at a time. And again, you pay $4.95 shipping, but you only pay it once every 4 months when your box comes. If you buy the yearly one, that brings the cost per kit down to $14.36. You pay for the entire year at one time. However, there will be no shipping and handling at all, and you'll get 3 of these boxes a year. So let's go ahead and open this. I have not even cut it open yet, so let's get some scissors. I was waiting not patiently for this, and got a notification from FedEx that I wasn't going to be seeing it until next week on Wednesday, and it is now Friday when I'm recording this. So I was very happily surprised to see it come earlier than expected. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see what we got. We'll get that box out of the way. We'll drop it on the dog. I'm sure he'll like that. And first thing I see is my 30 free prints from Persnickety. That is something you get only in the yearly subscription. When you buy it for the whole year, you get 30 free prints in each box. So that's 90 prints a year from Persnickety for free. That's just my invoice. And then you also, in each box, you get a card. The noblest art is that of making others happy, P.T. Barnum. So that's really nice. I like that one. I may have to find something fun to do with that. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. So we have, I'm not sure which ones are which, so we'll just look at each one. This one is called Something Fierce. That is one of our paper lines that you're going to see me working with this month. That is our January focus. So let's go ahead, open this up and see what we have in here. So you're going to get your paper, and this is actually January. So you get 4 pages, so 2 full layouts. It gives you the pictures, everything you need. You'll just need adhesive, maybe some 3D foam tape if you want to pop some things up, and a journaling pen. And that is all you need. You have everything you need in here. So you're going to have all of your photo place cards. You've got your stickers marked by layout 1 and layout 2. You have all of your paper pre-cut. So here's all of our paper pre-cut. Let's not lose any of these. There's those. And then you get your layout pages. Some of this is pre-printed on there for you. This one has some journaling already printed on there. Here are your die cuts for both of your layouts. And then here is the printed paper for the other layout. And you also get enough of our paper. What are they called? I can't believe the word just flew out of my head, but you know what these are. If you're looking at a scrapbooking video, you know what those are. Put those in there. So we'll put these away so that we don't get them mixed up. And let's look at the next layout kit. Sorry, I'm moving a little slow. I hurt my back, so things take me a little longer to turn around and do. Okay, so this one is from the So Much Happy paper pack. And these are the layouts. This is actually the March layout. So if you're ordering this on a monthly, you will see this one in March. Oh, that's really pretty. I love these rainbow, the rainbow looks. Oh, those are really cute too. So let's see what we have here. So we got our paper, we've got our photo mats, our photo cards, we've got stickers, Oh, nice. These are already on here. I love the look of banners, but man, are they hard to line up, and they take so much time to put together. So this will go together really fast. And it looks, oh, nice. Okay, so we have some die cuts. My guess is that you're going to take these die cuts and you're going to put them over those. And if you put them on there with some 3D foam tape, it's going to make it pop up off the page and look like you did a whole bunch of work you didn't do. So I really like that. These are great. And this is also very helpful. I've done a couple of these Starburst before on cards, and they're really fun and they look really awesome, but they are really hard to line up. You wouldn't think they are, but they are. Oh, page protectors. See, I knew I would remember what they're called. And you also get 3 page protectors with this kit. So that's great. I love this one. This one is really happy. Well, it's called So Much Happy. But it's really pretty and bright. I can see some fun ways to use that. Okay, this one is called I Heart Us. And I'm pretty sure that this is the February kit, but let's look real quick. Okay, make sure I'm staying in the frame. Why don't we move this way? That'll make it a little easier. Okay, so yes, this is the kit you would get for February. Again, really colorful. Oh, I really like that. So let's see what we've got on this one. So we've got our photo placeholders. We've got pre-cut paper. Here are our stickers. Oh, I like that. And this is really pretty. Oh, those are like washi strips. Those are cool. And die cuts. I really like this look, the hand-drawn dashes. I keep meaning to do that on my own things, and I always forget to do them. And it looks like you've got some of your little pie pieces here as die cuts as well. And so here are the pre-printed pages for one layout. Oh, and there's our pie wheel and the pre-printed on that. So what I'm guessing, again, and we'll find out when I make them, but I am guessing you put these on top of these, and you can put them on 3D foam tape, make them look like they're popped out, again, making it look like you did a lot more work than you really did. And some more, and we get 3 more page protectors. So you have everything you need to do these, but you might want a photo album. If you don't already have one, that might be something else besides just adhesive and foam tape. And then here is the final one. This one is called Feels Like Home, and this is the April kit. Now, if you like these colors and these papers, we also have full kits and full paper packs with the same line that has the same name. So this is Feels Like Home. So you could always, once you make your 4 layouts, you could get a paper kit and you could make some additional layouts to go with it that coordinate. So, oh, this is really pretty. I love pink and gray together. That is one of my favorite color combos. Photo placeholders and some really nice stickers. This says Home and this says Moments. Really like that. And your pre-cut paper. Oh, I love these. I love journaling cards that look like old paper from accounting paper. I remember when I was in college, first time around, I took a bunch of accounting classes and we had to do some work on some paper like this, and it actually was kind of fun, but maybe I'm just weird that way. Okay, so, oh, I really like this. This is that chicken wire. I love that look with the chicken wire. And your die cuts. The black and white line work is very popular, and I'm glad to see that we're using it. And I believe there's a whole bunch more of this type of black and white line work in the full paper pack. Really pretty butterflies. If you've watched me for any length of time, you know I like butterflies. And oh, some more of that paper. I really like that a lot. So, and this also comes with 3. So that is the complete Craft with Heart kit. Again, if you have any questions or want more information about how to get a subscription kit for yourself, just check the description box down below or leave me a question down in the comments and I will get back to you. I hope you all have a great day, and I will be back soon putting together the January kit. Bye.